What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change email address on Quotex app. So you might be wondering how to exactly update or change your email address here on the Quotex platform. Well, in this case, updating or changing your email here is fairly easy. So first things first, you want to go to the official webpage here and just basically log into your account. Now, on the left side, you have this option. So you have trade, support, account, tournaments, market, and more. Let's go and choose account here. Now, in here, it will redirect you to the account page, which in this case, you should see your personal data. Now, from here, as you can see, you should have the option to view a few things, like for example, your email here. But in order for you to change or update your email here, you need to verify your account first, which in this case, it may actually ask you to provide some details about your account. So just verify yourself, and once you verified your account or added all the necessary information here, it will give you the option to update it. But just in case if you can still update your email here, what you could do is you could go to the bottom left here, click on help. And from here, you just want to go and click on contact customer support and just click on other issues and just fill out all the necessary information that you want here. Like for example, you want to update your email address, make sure to state that. And if you have like any attachments, go and attach them in here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.